amazing journey. Hello, my name is Gabriela Jimenez, and I had the pleasure today to be one of the facilitators for NOAAon event. It is a fantastic journey. In my opinion, it's so connective. It brings breath work, which has so many amazing health benefits. But it's not just breath work, it has a sense of community and connection. My suggestion is for you to join us, to come and experience this amazing journey. And I really, really love Noah. I think he's fantastic, he's very grounded, he's very spiritual, and he has integrated that which a lot of people hasn't yet. So for me, it's an amazing facilitator, and I'm looking forward to come to every event possible.
I'm a sunshine, my only sun.